I'm going to be showing you how to fix Hinge match bubbles disappearing in chat. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is a simple logout and a login, which often resolves temporary glitches and forces the app to resync with Hinge servers, bringing back your matches. So just go ahead and open your app, it's right there. So after you're in the app, you just need to look at the bottom right corner where you can see the profile icon. So just go ahead and tap here, and now you need to look at the top right. So there you have the gear icon. Just go ahead and tap here. Scroll all the way down till you find logout, which is right above delete or pause account. Just go ahead and tap on logouts, and after you've logged out, just log back in. The second thing you can do is to check your internet connection. A strong Wi-Fi or data signal is essential for the app to refresh and load your matches correctly. After you've made sure of that, you need to restart your device if it's still not working. A device restart can resolve underlying system issues that may be affecting the Hinge app. You also need to make sure that Hinge is updated to the latest version, as this can fix bugs and improve app performance. As a last resort, just delete Hinge and then reinstall the Hinge app to perform a completely refreshed start. So in this way, you can successfully fix Hinge match bubbles disappearing in chat. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.